Going on, guys? Taylor here with Diamond State Off-Road. Today we're going to be installing this Ironman shower tent Ensuite. So we're going to head on over to the truck and get this thing installed. However, first thing, when I was looking on the website, I didn't see it. Maybe I missed it, but it does come with stakes, brackets, 2 brackets, and mounting hardware. So we're going to head over to the Gladiator and get this thing put on there.
Just loosely put in the brackets on here so it adjusts when I get it up on the Jeep.
So one thing I wish they would have included were some washers. Just scrounge some up to hopefully not pull through the rack. Something about like that. At least it will stay there now.
We got one bracket kind of going here, and then we got to do the other one there. So it's got a couple little caddies in here to hang your stuff. This, obviously, you pull this up or down and lower this, but my shower is going to be like here on the rack and just have the handle coming out there. So shower tent is a success. We got it installed. Took no time at all, really. Took longer to find washers that they didn't include. That would be nice. Include washers for the bolts.